Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux on Roblox. First of all, open up the Roblox app. Once you get into your Roblox account, click on My Balance icon from the top bar. From here, you can buy Robux according to your balance. Tap to buy 40 Robux, you will see the amount you need to pay. Then select your Google Pay account. You can choose the payment method from here. You can also use your credit card, debit card, and any of the given options. After selecting the payment method, click on Buy. Then enter your Gmail password and tap to verify. Now you have made a successful purchase. This is how you can buy Robux in Roblox. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.